This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Liza Diet. Gorgeous and modern fully remodeled 2-bed, 2-bath split floor plan with a large 2-car garage. Wood plank tile throughout, brand new kitchen with beautiful quartz counters, shaker cabinets, and new appliances. Freshly painted inside and out. Oversized 12 by 25 covered/screened lanai. The total square feet of this home is 2,050 square feet. This home has washer/dryer in unit. Both bedrooms have large walk-in closets. This home is located in desirable South Venice, minutes away from the southern tip of Legacy Trail at Shamrock Park and Nature Center, also Venice Beach and Manasota Beach. Lots of options for dining and shopping nearby. For more information, review the details below.